Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Swati Soumya and you are watching Fashion Fusion Flair. So today I was arranging my closet and I found one very old jeans. So firstly I thought to throw this jeans in the dustbin, but then I remember that I have decided to reuse my old clothes and contribute something for the nature. Well, just kidding. Actually, I'm very inspired from Ranveer Singh's fashion in his last movie. So I thought to just recreate something like that. So this is my old blue Levi's jeans which I'm not wearing nowadays. So I have decided to create some pattern in it and transform this jeans into a very new and trendy one. So if you want to see the final result, please watch this video till the end. So I'll start the process by making the patterns with the help of chalk, and I'm gonna use this round brush to fill the base color. I'm taking white as a base color, but you can take any lighter shades. Basically, the base color will help your patterns to look more beautiful and brighter. I'll fill each and every pattern one by one. So we are done with the pattern filling. Now today I am making lemons, so that's why I'm using light yellow color, but you can make any pattern and you can use any color according to your preference. So we are done with the color filling part, guys. Let me show you the detailing part. I'm using this 0 size brush to complete the detailing part. This is the most important part of the whole process because detailing requires a lot of patience and perfection. Plus, make sure that you will not spill the color outside the pattern because this color is a permanent color. Let me just quickly show you the whole process of detailing. So this is how it will gonna look after completing the detailing on the patterns. Now I'm gonna show you how it will gonna look after completing the whole process. Here is the final look, guys. I have used some darker shades as well to give the lemons to make them look more real. So this is how it will look after wearing the jeans. Well, I was not expecting this much, but I think it is looking very beautiful and very, very different. Plus, I have painted the back pocket as well. Thank you so much for watching the video, and I'm so happy. Please subscribe my channel and like the video. Thank you so much.